Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to quickly and easily check your Google Form responses, whether you're a teacher, a business owner, or just using Google Forms for phone. This tutorial will help you get the information you need in no time. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to Google Forms website. Here, you can either create a new form, or open an existing one. For this tutorial, I'll be using a sample form that I created earlier. Then click on the form you want to check responses for. At the top of the form editor, you'll see three tabs: Questions, Responses, and Settings. Click on the Responses tab. Here you can see a summary of all the responses you've received. This includes charts and graphs for multiple choice questions and a list of answers for short and long answer questions. It's a great way to get a quick overview of your data. If you want to see an individual responses, click on the individual tab within the responses section. You can navigate through each response one by one using the arrows at the top. For a more detailed analysis, you might want to view your response in a spreadsheet. To do this, click on the green sheets in the top right corner of the Responses tab. This tab will create a new Google Sheet with all your responses neatly organized. And there you have it. Now you can easily review and analyze your Google Form responses.